Think crypto investing is only for thrill-seeking youngsters? Think again. The right crypto strategy depends on your age, goals, and how much risk you're willing to stomach. Today we are unlocking how to tailor your crypto approach for maximum success, no matter your investor personality. And if you will watch this video until the end, you will find big bonus. I will tell you something very interesting, and maybe it will describe you and you will understand why talking about only up to 5 or 10%. Just finish video until the end. And firstly, just go to split types of risk on 2 types. First, for young and restless, just calculated risks. Target audience is just adults from 20 to 30 years, so young but already investors, and craving long-term growth. They have enough time for if something happens, it's not so bad for them, and I will tell you about big amount of your portfolio will be in crypto, but no, it's not true. The maximum, and especially for young and restless, it will be up to 10%. I think, what? Why I start watch this YouTube video? It's not only my opinion. You can find in my Telegram channel links to source where I found it. Yeah, it's already risky to have up to 10% of your funds in crypto. But I think most of real investors understand me, so investing not a gambling, investing is for make money or keep money, depends of your age. And for young, it also depends. You cannot just risk and put all your money in one bucket. For example, it will be crypto. No, it's not good strategy. But you still have time. You can bounce back from setbacks. And in long term, crypto can give you some profits. But yes, only if you will do it smart, not just all in or something like that. And you can use mix of blue chips like Bitcoin or Ethereum and some altcoins, which potentially can give you some profits, but not 90% on altcoins which you're waiting for, that meme coin will grow tomorrow. No. Maybe if you are 14 you can do it, but not if you are 20 or 30. And okay, maybe it's discussed question, are you a crypto trailblazer or a caution investor? Let's discuss in the comment. Maybe you have some points which you think will affect my opinion, and maybe it will change it. Another strategy, seasoned and secure, protecting your wealth. What's the audience for that? It's just already from 40 to 60 years old. These guys already have some capital. They want to use some conservative strategy, and in such case it's usually limiting to a smaller amount, and usually it's from 2 to 5%. Yeah, you think maybe not big gap between when I say it, if it's you can be risky, you can make 10% up to 10%. When I talked about conservative investor, I said up to 5. You think not so big amount, but it depends which crypto you will buy for that. So for guys who already from 40 years old, for them better buy most of blue chips, maybe 95% or 90%, depends. But usually the biggest part of crypto portfolio will be blue chips like Bitcoin, Ethereum, other. Usually these two, but you can monitor it and see maybe right now it's something added already. Maybe Bitcoin already fall down. Who knows when you will watch this video. So just buy blue chips, that's it. And okay, a little bit amount of altcoins or meme coins, but not so much, you know, if you understand what does it mean. Conservative, you should understand what I'm talking about. If you don't understand, okay, I will give you numbers. 95% of blue chips and only 5% is some altcoins. But only up to 5 of all your funds can be in crypto. But you can choose yourself. Maybe you are 40, but you feel yourself like 30 years old and you think you will live until 100. Okay, but no one knows until which time you will live. It's about safeguarding what you built, and we just want to keep it, not to increase. Just less speculation and that's it. It's conservative type of investing. And sweet spot your crypto slice. Of course, it's up to you, so only you can say, I will put this amount in crypto, in altcoins, this amount in blue chips, but you should know your strategy before you will start to invest. But if you think you're able to make money on crypto just after buying some amount of some meme coins, wait and watch my another video. I'm talking there about who really make money in crypto. And of course, if you're shocked about the percentage which I was talking about, also it's a good idea to watch this, because you don't know how many people lose money in crypto, but still there exists some types which make money periodically and they don't lose it because they know how to do it, because it's their work. Just watch this video. And as I told you, it's up to you, but for example, if you are some Jane, 25 years old, for you it's not so hard to have 8% of your funds in crypto. But if you're already Jack, 50 years old, it's not smart idea to do it. You need to keep there only up to 5, better 3%, maybe depends of you, depends of Jack. And remember every time, don't be greedy rule. Remember about it when you will watch some charts and you will not sleep. Doesn't matter if someone will tell you, oh, tomorrow this altcoin will grow up to 5,000%. Don't believe on this. Or believe, but just don't be greedy. And of course, don't forget about diversification, especially in crypto, especially outside of crypto. Don't forget about stocks, bonds, real estate. Just remember, not everything in one bucket. And about bucket, you can watch another my video. It's about crypto crap bucket theory. So I was talking about why it's so hard for some crypto investors to stop invest. For such who already very long time in crypto, they have some forums, some society of crypto investors, and he think he want to stop, but he cannot, or he just don't know that he want in this video. And I already told you about that. Everything depends on your age, but there's some tips which will be helpful for every age. And first thing is dollar cost averaging. For example, maybe you hear about some guys who bought a very big amount of bitcoins when this price was about 70,000, and after that what happened? It fell until 20,000. What was the problem? The problem was that they thought, I will buy right now and will wait, or I will sell right now and will wait. You need to do it regularly. So every day or every month or every week you just have some amount and you will buy some crypto. Do it periodically. And this is a good pill for don't lose money. Because, for example, it will fall or it will grow. You are not a speculator. You just try to buy every time. You try to make normal investigation, not play or gambling. The guy who bought on 70 and sell on 20, for him it's game, and maybe he like it to buy when it's very expensive and sell when it's nothing. Another thing, it's about hardware wallets. It's your crypto fortress, and if you think that to keep money on one web service is good idea. You need to read more about crypto security and what can happen, maybe read some news from the past. In some of them, the owners just take all money and left. In another, some hackers hack it and transfer all money on their wallets. So think about hardware wallets too. And stay sharp, the crypto world never sleeps. So if something happened, you need to analyze and to think what to do with your crypto portfolio. But just remember previous rules too. It's not game, so don't be greedy. Just try analytics without emotions. And next tip is don't forget to donate to me, so that if anything happens, I will retrain as a crypto fortune teller and tell you exactly what to buy and what to sell. I'm joking, I never will do it. Never say never. And remember, when it comes to crypto, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. Whatever you are, a young trailblazer or seasoned strategist, finding the right balance for your individual situation is the key to success. So what kind of crypto investors are you? Follow me, links to social networks and my website in the description. And bonus, just I will tell you about portfolios for young investors who may be very risky and conservatives. And start with conservatives. I don't know about conservative because I'm not 40 years old. I just will read about it. So stocks is 50 or 60%. It's example for 40 to 60 years old investors. Stocks 50 to 60%. Bonds from 30 to 40%. Real estate 5 to 10. Cryptocurrency from 2 to 5. And here the general rule for conservative, they already don't need to rush, they just want to keep for them and for their family money. They already lose time or no, but they have already big amount of funds. Risk-taking portfolio, it's from 20 to 30, but you should remember something between is maybe risky too or conservative, depends of your wishes. So, risk-taking portfolio. 60 to 70% of stocks. Bonds. No bonds. I don't know why no bonds. Interesting. Alternative investment. Okay, stocks 60 to 70. Yeah, maybe bonds no need for young and risky. Or old and risky. Or doesn't matter which age and risky. Cryptocurrencies, I told, up to 10%. Alternative investments, 5 to 15%. But what is it? Expand diversification with options like venture capital, commodities and huge funds. This can be riskier, but offer potential for high returns. Real estate, 5 to 10%. Provide diversification and tangible asset with potential for long-term growth. And that's it, this was my bonus. So I hope this video was useful for you. Bye.